Alright, I'm here to show you all the fuel saving device installed in my car. Okay, first, right here I have a heat exchanger, which fuel is preheated, so it will be easier to vaporize once it gets into the carburetor. Okay. Next, I have right here a fuel vaporizer. Okay, this vaporizes the fuel. It has a bubbler inside. This is the air intake with a fuel filter. I use this as a air filter, so the air entering the vaporizer will be clean, free from dust. This is the intake of the gasoline. Okay, and this is the output of the gasoline. This solenoid valve turns on whenever the level is at maximum. Here is what's inside of my vaporizer. I have there a float switch, a bubbler, and this is the gas output that goes to the intake manifold. My engine right now is running on idle, and it's running just by this vaporizer. Okay, if I take out the cap of the vaporizer, the engine will turn off. Because there is no more vaporized gas going into the engine. Another fuel saving device I installed here in my car is this air bleed. This air bleed is just a simple solenoid valve connected to the intake manifold. This solenoid valve is triggered by a limit switch coupled once you step on the gas pedal. So every time you step on the gas pedal at a switch at a certain setting, this air bleed will turn on. This is the limit switch for the air bleed. See that sound? Every time the gas pedal is triggered, there's a limit switch that opens the solenoid valve or the air bleed. This idea of this air bleed is it helps enter more air, so that there will be more air and lesser gasoline. And inside this intake manifold I have right here is the vortex bulb, which produces circular motion of air, or a vortex of air going to the engine. Okay, and if you can see this, just in front of the engine I have there a hydrogen cell, electrolysis cell. Okay, a small cell that produces a hydrogen. Okay, and this is the bubbler. This is my bubbler. Okay, the output of the cell go through this hose, and this is my bubbler. This hose is going to the engine, the green hose. Okay, I have right here a check bulb, and it goes to the intake manifold of the engine.